So hello guys, what is up and welcome to another video. So today's video is pretty special as I'm going to be giving away 5 free smooth transition presets. So these 5 free presets are going to be like 5 smooth cinematic transitions that you guys can easily like just drag and drop onto your videos, and they look pretty cool, and also they're free as well, so you know, why not. And as I usually do, always throwing some sound effects in there just so that you guys can add more emphasis and, you know, make your videos look more alive, shall I say. I think the transitions are pretty well made. You know, they're pretty well put together. I'll spend a lot of time working on them. Just before we get into it, it would genuinely mean a lot if you guys can subscribe, like the video as well. So yeah, so once you've done that, let's get into it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little sequence there, and I'm just going to show you guys how to apply the preset and, you know, all the little rules that you guys need to know. So yeah, let's just jump onto Premiere Pro. So okay guys, so once you've downloaded the file, so you'll find the link for that in the description below. And so the way it's going to work is that you're going to have I've included 3 sound effects, and you're going to have your preset file that you're going to import onto Premiere Pro. So yeah, so let's jump onto Premiere Pro. So for the sake of this video, I've got 2 videos that I'm just going to transition between just to show you guys how it's done. And firstly, I'm going to show you guys how to apply the transition. So what you're going to do is click on presets and right click and hit import preset. Okay, so once you've opened up so depending on where you've located the download folder, you'll find this folder opening up again, and you're just going to click on the 5 cinematic transition preset giveaway. So you click open. Okay, so once you've imported it, so just type in Ryan Visions. It should be under that folder, and here we go. So you've got the 5 so you've got the 5 transitions that I promised, and here they are. So I've included the ghost, distortion effects, move, zoom and transition. I've included the Twirl Transition, vintage RGB effect, and the white flash transition. So I'm just going to show you guys how to apply them between these 2 clips that I've got here. So the way it's going to be is we're going to go back to our project and click on new item and add an adjustment layer. So just drag that right on top. So the way to go is make sure that your adjustment layer is 10 keyframes long. So as you guys can see, it's 10 keyframes long. And what you're going to do is make sure that the adjustment layer is split in half. So given that it's 10 keyframes long, so make sure that 5 of the keyframes are on the previous clip and the next 5 keyframes are on the next clip. So just to show you guys how it is, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's 5 keyframes into the next clip, and in the previous clip it should be 5 keyframes as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 keyframes right there. So you're going to go back onto your effect, and you're pretty much just going to drag and drop. So let's start with the ghost distortion effect. So you just drag and drop it right on there, and it should look something like this. That's the ghost distortion effect. Okay, so it's gonna Control Z. I'm going to go on to the other one, which is the smooth zoom in transition, which is like this, which goes kind of like this. And you could pretty much add the whoosh sound effect to it if you want to add more emphasis as well. And the third one is the twirl transition. So it goes straight in. So that's the twirl transition. And the next one is the vintage RGB effect. And I think this one will look pretty cool in music videos. So it looks something like this. So yeah, so that's how it looks like. You can also mess around with the keyframes as well, just, you know, to adjust it to your liking. It doesn't have to be 10 keyframes long. You can just adjust it to however you want. And I'll show you the last one, which is the white flash transition. And you just drag and drop. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and I hope it's some benefit for you guys, and see you guys soon. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video there. I just want to say that it's been a genuine pleasure making presets like this, and you know, the ongoing support that you guys have given me over the past, I mean, I've been making YouTube videos since like October or something, so thank you so much for that. It genuinely means a lot. And it's that kind of support that truly keeps me going, and it keeps me fired up to make more videos like this for you guys. So I just want to say, I wish you guys a happy holiday and a happy new year. I just hope that, you know, we start the next year and there's like less restrictions, because, you know, up here in London it's like lockdown season, so it's not looking so good in London, but I just hope things get back to normal. All in all, I wish you guys all the best, and I wish everybody a great start to the new year, and I'll hopefully catch you guys next year.